Okay, everyone, this is going to be very quick. So before I go forward, I'm going to thank all the people who are listed here because this workshop could not happen without them. So let's give them a big applause. So yes, without them, this is a huge task. But what are you going to do next? So we were providing you allocation. So you had a project, you had a space, you could run your jobs, but this is going to go away. Not so quickly, so you still have time. So the allocation, which means the project directory folder, is going to be available up to December 1st. So you still have time to take your data, move them around. But our goal is to keep you. So we don't want you to leave our machines. We want you to be friend with them. So what are you going to do? You're going to use the, this link that I will also put the slides in the slide channel. And if you search DD allocation in ALCF website, this is going to bring you this directory discretionary allocation, which is about 3 to 6 months of the project. So you can apply for that. The goal is you build your code, you make sure it scales well, and then the idea is that eventually you apply for inside ALCC or other things. This is a quick process, so it's a one-page request. It takes about 2 weeks or so. The committee meets on a regular basis. They will let you know. When you do apply, make sure that you mention you did attend ALCF hands-on HPC workshop. That will help expedite your application. So as sort of suggestions of what to ask, if you're asking on Polaris, so we're using node hours as our base. So 500 to 2K, 2,000 node hours for Polaris, about 1,000 on Theta GPU. Theta is going away by, I think, the end of this year. So if you do apply, you just have to make sure. I don't think so, actually, you should apply. So just do the top ones. And I think AI testbeds is similar. Now, I just went and checked to see what is currently available based on what you guys have used so far. So it seems to me that for the Polaris, we still have some time, about like 1,800 node hours. So that means you still can run simulations. But the reservation, the single queue and the scaling queue is going to go away by the end of tonight. I think 8 p.m. was the end time. So you will be able to just submit using the project, but you just have to use the regular queue that is available. You can just use the documentation for type of queue you can run. I think on the AI testbeds, the running is kind of different, so don't need to worry about what it says here. It's just to give you an idea. Yep, so we are going to have breakout sessions after this. We're around here. Make sure to talk to people, ask questions. And if you need anything after the workshop, you can email us. The Slack space is going to be stay active for a while, but I highly suggest you to start using the email, or if you have questions with respect to the machine, use the support channel. But if you need to, hey, who is this person? I need to contact with them. You can use the Slack. We're going to keep it alive for a while until the next workshop, and then it will be just kicked out. The last thing is I did paste this in the Slack space for the survey. I know it looks long, it is not. It's just a quick, just scale it, whatever you like, what didn't you like, just let us know. This really helps us to build the next one. With that, I want to thank you all. So we still have the hands-on, but this was the last of the talks. So thank you. I hope for the ones who had a trip, have a safe trip back home, and I hope to see you again. Thank you, everyone.